Good afternoon, traders. It's Miami Option with your stock market recap for Friday, December 4th, 2020. Hey, traders, when we're looking at the market today, just like I've been saying for the entire week, the market is marching higher. No reason to come in and say, hey, there's people losing their jobs. There's a lot of people waiting in food lines. So I think we should short the market right now. No, you have to realize, and I've realized this for the 6 years that I've been trading, you cannot trade with emotion. Or people are losing their jobs. I think we should short the market. No. Whatever the market says it wants to do, you just follow suit. You do what is said. What the market says it wants to do. The market wants to ride higher. Do that. You find a place where, like for instance, when you're looking at the S&P, the SPY, you see a section here where a little slight pullback. You ride along with it. Or you came in at this spot here and you say there's a slight pullback here, and I think the market can ride a lot higher. So you buy a call the day before and you get a pop and you sell on that pop and you keep on going. Do not go with your emotions. Trust me, I've gotten pie in the face plenty of times thinking that, you know what, this this should happen, or something else should happen in the market, and evidently I've taken the pie several times. So you don't want to get pie in the face. Whatever the market does, trust me, there's big firms, big brokerages that have trillions of dollars. Your little two, $3,000 that you're investing with, or 20, 30,000, whatever it is, it pales in comparison to these big firms. So what you want to do, you want to ride their coattail. When they're in a particular stock, you go with it. That's all. You do not want to short and go against these big, big, you know, big firms. So once they've established that, you know what, this stock is going to move, you ride along with them. You take your 10 to 20% and ride with it. If it's going to be a day trade, with your options, or if it's going to be something long term, or swing trade for a couple of days or even weeks, where you hold on to this position and you sell it once you think you've gotten enough profits and it's gone your way significantly and you've sold. So just looking at the market, you have plenty of stocks that have pulled back, and the Nasdaq was a bit weak today. Let's look at the QQQ. Yeah, it was a bit weak. It did a pullback and came back up, and and pulled back down. It was a bit choppy on the Nasdaq. You have a lot of stocks like Facebook and Apple that were down. Nonetheless, the overall market was higher, and especially IWM, the Russell was. I mean, it really ripped today. IW, um, IWM, the Russell really ripped higher. So the small caps really was pushing the market a lot higher today. And once again, I'm always gonna drive this home with you guys. Once you've gotten a profit, 10 to 20% in your position, try to scale back. Take your profits and run. Close down your trading for the day and prepare yourself for another an, for another play or another entry and exit. As soon as you go into a play, make sure you have your exit in mind. Where am I going to exit now? Where am my entries? Because at all times you need to put that into your trading. I've entered a position. Where's my exit? Because a lot of times you'll have that trade to go against you, and you got to have an exit. You got to have a plan to get out the market, get out that particular trade, and so you can prepare yourself for the next one. And always examine yourself. What did you do wrong? Did you overtrade, or did you go in too early? Was your position too large? So you always want to analyze what you're doing in the market, because as you grow as a trader, you want to and as an investor, you want to know what the pitfalls that you've fallen into. What's the bad habits that's creating um, your downfall, that's really diminishing your growth in the market. All right, traders. Um, Hopefully, you guys have a wonderful weekend, and I'm expecting to see you guys next week.